till now, like full Ramadan was completely was inactive on YouTube, like inactive, whatever. So I thought, okay, we'll show what I'm doing on Eid. Like this Eid is gonna be like locked Eid for me, like lockdown completely. I can't go out. I'll just be in home, pray, I'll eat food. I think maybe we'll go out a little bit. So stay tuned. I'll show you what's gonna happen. Now the time is 5:16. Let me go get ready. We have my new dresses. Let's get started. So guys, time is 6:03 and I'm ready right now. Like new t-shirt, glowing face. So now it's time for prayer. No, we're not going anywhere. Just praying in home. Me, mom, dad. That's it. Just short. We are praying in home itself. Then we'll have food. Then let me see if I'm going out or we'll talk sometime. We'll talk. Okay. Okay. I'll just go pray and I'll come back. So hey guys, Eid Mubarak to you and your family. If I get a chance to give, I would give it through camera, but it's not possible. So I hope you guys are celebrating safe Eid. So this is to my neighborhood, like my family friend. I just came to give him some sweets. So let's go. So guys, he's not here now. Like he's not in home. So I came back. Let him come. After that we'll go and give. I think now we'll go and have food and just go get a nap. So hey guys, just finished breakfast and time is 8:40. Now I'm here just to tell you guys very important thing. So this is traditional Omani outfit. So we live in Oman, so I like Omanis like a lot. So Omani outfit for the day for Eid al-Fitr. So what the thing is, I got like if you're my subscribers or my friends or whoever is watching this, please be safe. Like situations around you is critical. It is critical. There's no words to even tell, like to explain. Like if you guys are from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, or you guys are from India, you know what is the situation going on. Numbers of people are just passing away. We cannot help. Like we cannot help means there are no facilities. So I think you guys can understand, right? There are no facilities, lack of bed, lack of oxygen. There are a lot of things okay to talk about. If I talk about that, we'll make a separate video. So I'm just telling you, stay safe. Only one thing like we can do from our side is wear mask, sanitize your hands. Whenever you go out, in home no problem at all. Whenever you go out, wear mask, sanitize your hand each and every 1 hour. If you even touch or if you don't touch, that doesn't matter. Each and every 1 hour sanitize your hand. If you sanitize your hands well, then you'll be in the safer hands. So that's what I wanted to tell you. Like, happy Eid Mubarak to everyone, my family in India, who all are watching this, my friends and my Muscat relatives, my friend, everyone. Eid Mubarak, sorry. Eid Mubarak to everyone in Muscat relatives, in family, India, everyone. So please have a safe Eid. Don't go out unnecessarily. If you want to go out, you can go, but it's up to you. I'm just telling you, right? Celebrate a safe Eid. I hope you guys are doing great. So while going out, I'll see you directly in the car. Time is 8:41. I'll see you directly in the car.
One eternity later.
So hey guys, vlog அது கூட பண்ண கூடாதா போர் அடிக்குது எனக்கு. So where we are going? Pernakada. No Pernakada. Time is 5:46 and now I'm getting out. I should be back at home. Like we should be back at home at 7 because it is lockdown here. Before 7 we have to come back home. Now we are just going for a small trip. Same Cornish, Sohar, just to get some mind relaxation because we are in home from the morning. Like for far 2 days we are inside home only. Am I right?
Yes, we were inside the home
since last 2-3 days we are inside, so now we are getting out. Oh,
just a refreshment.
Chai, please.
Let us see if the chai is there.
Please, I hope, fingers crossed.
No,
I need that chai shop.
It's not there. Morning it was closed.
So stay tuned. I'll take you guys with me.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we.
So guys, after that I did not talk anything much. I just started shooting videos so that it could be clear, because in car music was playing, so I could get copyrights. So as you guys know, this is Sohar Cornish, a very famous place in Sohar. Everybody in Sohar around Muscat or around Sohar knows this place. So it was time was actually around 6:30 that time, so everybody was rushing back to home. So there are a lot of traffic here and good vibes after many days coming out. So before 7 we have to come home, right? So everybody was rushing. So guys, have a look at this, a beautiful sunset on the right and greenery place which looked awesome. Look at the sunset guys, it was amazing. Oh my god, that was pleasantful after a lot of days.
And on we'll go.
So that's it guys, we just started back home because the time was actually 6:45. 15 minutes will take from Sohar to Felage, so we have to get back home right before 7. So we started rushing back to home. I think that's it, nothing to show much. Beautiful sunset, and this is a park in Sohar actually, I'd say near the stadium, this park. So this is back home. Yeah, look at the sunset. Oh my god, it is amazing. Okay guys, nothing much to talk, I'll meet you directly at the home. So guys, that's it, time is 6:56 and it is 7. So here it is 7 lockdown, after 7 we cannot go out, it is night lockdown here, so we cannot go out after 7. So before 7 we came in, we just went out for a small spin, because from morning itself we are in home, right? So it is Ramadan, it is Eid. So once again, happy Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to everyone. I think the video will be out today. I think tomorrow they're celebrating Eid in India. Today we celebrated here in Oman. I hope you guys liked the video today. Thank you for making me part of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, masalama, peace.